Hi friends, today in this video we are going to see about the basics of Java. So what is Java? It is a simple programming language to write, compile and debug a program easily. It helps us to create modular programs and reusable codes. The one-line motto for the Java is you can write once and run anywhere. That is, you can write the code once and run anywhere for the any platforming systems. The features of Java. This can be also known as Java buzzwords. And the primary objective of Java was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. And the architectural neutral in the sense, it doesn't need any implementation dependent features. And finally comes that multi-threaded, which way we can execute the multiple programs simultaneously. So how we are going to write a program and what are the tools that we need? So you have to install the JDK, and if you don't have it, you can just Google it and download it and save it. You have to set the path for the JDK and we can write the program and compile and run the Java program. So what are the parameters that we are going to see in this Java program? It is class. That is what kind of program it is. It is going to declare a class. That is, it is going to declare the type of the program. Public, as it means it is visible to all and it is an access modifier. And static means it is a keyword. It also doesn't allow us to create an object so that it can save our memory. And void is a return type of method which doesn't return any value. And main is the starting point of the program. String we will be seeing in detail in the upcoming videos. System.out.println is the print statement. So here we are going to write our first program, hello world. So what you have to do is, I'll just show you how to execute this program in Notepad, how to write and execute the program using the command prompt window. Just open the Notepad and write the program as I have shown. These double slash line indicates that it is a command line. So what it is used for us, even if any one of the new user is coming and accessing this program, it will be very useful for them to know what program it is and what are the steps that they have included. So once you have opened your Notepad, just type the program as I have shown and save the file. Okay. So we are going to compile the program. What you have to do is you have to open the command prompt window and go to the directory where you have saved this program. So you have to type Java C and your name of the program what you have saved .java. Okay, and you have to enter to compile your program. So what is compilation? It will convert your source code into the bytecode. Okay, if there is no errors, it will display as the path variable is set. Okay, then you have to type Java and your name of the program. So now we are going to see how we are going to execute our first program, hello world. So what I'm going to do is I have just opened a Notepad and I'm going to copy paste the program which I have shown you earlier. Here I have declared the class as hello world with a name and I am declaring the main method as static. And as you know, this is a command line which is used for the referral purposes. Then I am typing the print command which is used for printing the output. Okay. So what you have to do is, next you have to save your file. You can use a separate folder. I'm using my users. In that I have created a special workspace for this program. So I'm going to give the name as hello world .java. So I am going to save this file. So we have saved the file. Now let's see how we are going to compile this program. So what you have to do is you have to open your command prompt. You have to move to the directory where you have saved this file. So I have saved it in workspace. So it has been moved to the place where I have saved it. So now you have to compile the program. So what will happen is, once it is compiled, if there is no error, it will be creating a class in your folder where you have shared the programs. So now let's see where it is saved. So here it is saved as a class file, that is hello world class file. So now there, we can see that there is no errors in the file. So what you have to do is Java space hello world. So it will execute the program and your output will be shown as hello comma world. So this is the easiest way for compiling and executing your program. The one thing that you have to keep in mind is Java is a case sensitive programming language. So if you are saving your program name in a small or caps, you have to just keep it in mind and you have to execute the same. Okay. Hope you are clear with this. We'll see the other parts in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.